Hello, Sawadee-Kap. My name is Heinz Aquino Marfil, your passionate and cheerful teacher from the Philippines. Back in college, I graduated with flying colors with a Bachelor of Elementary Education and successfully passed in licensure examination for teacher last September 2024. Teaching is not new to me. I've been a passionate teacher for years, starting as a volunteer teacher at my local church, where I taught children and youth up to 18 years old, and I also work as a home service teacher, focusing on personalized learning for students, and also become a youth leader for 7 years, leading various activities that nurture leadership, teamwork, and positive values. Throughout those experiences, I gained a lot of knowledge and skills, and I'm eager to share it with my future Thai students. I am truly passionate about helping students to grow academically and personally. If you're looking for a teacher who brings energy and heart for every lesson, look no further. I am Heinz Aquino Marfil. I'd be honored and gladly to be part of your institution. Kab Kun Kab.